What if the Earth had hidden tricks? Some places on Earth experience such bizarre natural phenomena. They feel supernatural. Let's explore the top 3 countries where this happens. Number 3, Venezuela. The Catatumbo lightning storm over Lake Maracaibo strikes up to 280 times an hour for nearly 300 nights a year. No thunderstorm on Earth is more persistent or more mysterious. Number 2, Norway. At Rjukan, the sun disappears for months in winter, but locals built giant mirrors on a mountain to reflect sunlight into town. It's called the Mirror Project, and it's real. Number 1, Australia. Every year, millions of crabs on Christmas Island migrate all at once, flooding roads, forests, and beaches in a sea of red. It's one of the world's most surreal wildlife spectacles.